have a MacBook Pro. It's an M1. It says 82338, and the description says that it looks like okay. So it's a combination of a silver and a space gray. So I suppose the device was a silver, and then a space gray screen was replaced. Okay, so description says dead. It also looks like it had a shear of liquid ingress, judging from the marks on the keyboard. Okay, nonetheless, let's quickly take the back cover out and get to understand what is it that we are dealing with. This is coming from another repair shop, so I'm pretty sure they did assessment of the device already. And I see mismatch screws already, which suggests, for example, this has no business in. Nah, this is not supposed to be here. Okay. Looks like battery was also replaced. Okay. It doesn't look like a liquid damage device. There are no evident signs of corrosion from this side of the board. Okay, this battery is disconnected. Let's remove the battery screw. Let's see if we have a short on the board. Check the 12-volt line and the 5-volt line. So this is going to be the 5-volt line here. It's let's see. We don't have a short there. 12-volt line. We don't have a short. Okay, let's just confirm that multimeter is in continuity mode. Yeah, okay. So now we can connect power to it. Let's see, what do we have on PP bus? 12.3 or 12.0? 12.19, 1819. That's indicative of, okay, it's not. Okay, let's say, do we have a 5-volt? No, we don't. Okay, so we are not in SO. So most likely, let's just confirm that we are not in DFU. Let's just confirm that the device is not stuck in recovery or DFU. Device battery is low. Okay, it doesn't seem like the device is in recovery or DFU. Okay, let's take the board out. The board also has a mismatch screws. Yes, we have one of this is also missing. Okay, what is out? Let's put the shell on the side. See what we have on the other side. Hmm. Okay, I'm not sure what they try to do. What they try to do here. I see the battery charger controller IC has also been tempered. So I see signs of um. We have soldering paste around it. So I'm not sure what is it that why I don't know if it's from a previous repair or so. Okay, let's see. Do we have 12 volt? And do we have 5 volt or 20 volt? So likely we have 5 volt on our PPDC in. Our board number it's gonna be 820 dash 02020. Okay, 820 dash 02020. 820 dash 02020. Where are you? There you go. Okay, so that's our board view. So let's start by let's see what we have with our PPDC in. Do we have 12? Do we have 5 volt or 20 volt? So we will be utilizing two of the PPDC in fuses here, 1 and 2. So let's see. Do we have? Okay, yes, we have 5 volt. Okay, let's see. What do we have around it? 5 volt, 1.8, 3.4. The other port. Let's check the other port. 5 volt, 5 volt, 1.8, 3.4. Let's see what is that. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Let's see. Mm, let's check if see if that's present. Okay, just trying to understand why that was replaced. Let's say do we have a 1.2 volt? Yeah, that's not present. Okay, 1.2 volt is not present. Okay, so oh no, sorry, no 1.2, 1.8. It's not present. Okay, so let's start again. We can use the sport. Before that, let's see. Do we have a short on our 1.2 volt line? It keeps saying 1.2, 1.8. Don't have a short there. Let's just check for random short. Right. What's happening to our multimeter? Okay, I see why that it's beeping on both sides. Since I don't know what that actually works. Let's see. Okay, so we have it's not supposed to beep on both sides. Okay, let's see what is that. And that's C7704, and it's PP3V3. Is it? Huh. Let's confirm that again. I'm sure about that. I'm sure that shooted. Hmm. Okay, name this here. Hmm. Okay. Okay, I think I see something. So we have a short on the PP3V3 AON line, which is basically that's the equivalent of PP3V42 underscore G3 hot. AON would mean always on, but is the reason why I think that is, let me see, C7702, we have a cap that is not looking good, which is this one here. That's not looking good. Also this two here. So let's see what is that. Let's see what that cap is. Yeah, that's C7703 as well as C775M, C775N. Those are both on the PP3V3, PP3V8 underscore AON line. So let's remove that cap and see if our short will be gone. So we're just not going to remove that cap alone. We're going to remove also C7, 5M, and 5N. Okay. Let's hope that it's a problem. Let's see if we still, let's see, do we still have a short? Okay, beautiful. Alhamdulillah, our short is gone. So before we replace, okay, let's so that should be Okay. Okay. Let's see. It's ground. Okay. So ground. Okay. Okay. Let's see. This can go back now. We no longer have a short one, don't I? So clean that section of the board. So I'm not really worried about the bridge we have here because this on the same line, so it's kind of like a bridge, this region here. But that is fine because as you guys can see, this, and this are on the same line. So that's fine. I'm not really worried about that. That should be about okay. Now let's see what we have. Hopefully we should now have 20 volt in our PPDC in. And we should also have a working board. Let's see. Let's see, do we have 3.3 volt? 3.6. Okay, that's about okay. Let's see, do we have a PDC in? Yeah, that's good. Now we have 20 volt. I'm just gonna switch our multimeter within the range. It's 20 volt. So we should be having 12.0 on our PP bus, which will indicate that our board is starting. Yeah, 12.0. That's great. Okay, Now let's put the board in the shell. Hmm. I really don't understand what's going on here. Okay, so we just connect the basic cables to help us with our test. So beautiful Apple logo. Okay, we're not necessarily going to wait for a device to go to desktop. So let's do a quick recap. So this was a case of a low power, and then our troubleshooting reviewed that we reviewed a short on PP3AON, and while while looking at while going through the board, we spotted a bit of a corrosion around C703, which indicates there was a bit of a liquid ingress in that section, and also which also indicated that if we are having the discoloration that we saw by C7703 and having to also be a capacitor on the 3.3 on the 3.8 volt line, that was indicative that that is most likely our issue. So we had to remove C7703, C775M, and C775N. After which the short was cleared, and then we replaced it, and that was basically the fix. Thank you guys. I will see you guys in the next one.